GeoMadCat here. I'm in front of the Ridgeland Post Office. Take a quick look here. Got that nice Ridgeland heart of the low country sign with our clock. It's a pretty good sized post office. Got a nice little flag out front, American flag. There's a federal building. Let's take a quick look. Palm trees, putting those out front. And you look at the federal, check it out, it's a federal building, United States Post Office, and it was built in 1964. That's when Lyndon B. Johnson was president, and Bernard Botano was the minister for General Service Administration. Pretty cool to see us here. And right next door to the Methodist Church, St. Paul's Methodist Church. Look, these footnotes on it. Straight down there is Main Street, and go a little farther, put I-95. And inside the post office, we have a copy of the Declaration of Independence and a copy of the Constitution of the United States. And over here is a copy of the Bill of Rights. You can see our post office is pretty good size. Let me show you a little bonus feature on the side of the post office here. Take a look close look here. Right behind this bush is a survey marker. Not much about survey markers. This is a survey marker for this location, and it's part of the National Geodetic Survey in Washington, D.C. There's millions of these everywhere. Outside the post office.